Hi everyone, thanks for watching my quick tutorial of how I make my Nab Vam noodles, or it's also called Cendol in Lao. It's for that coconut dessert. So what I use is 4.5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of rice flour, and 1 cup of tapioca flour. You can add sugar if you want. So the ones I bought were from Cops. If you don't have an Asian store near you, Cops I would recommend now has a pretty good Asian selection. So I would go there, and then if you do have an Asian store, I also showed pictures of the ones that I would buy if I lived near Asian store. So you just measure out all the dry ingredients and you put it in the plate. You mix that up just dry. And I didn't have a measuring cup, so I'm just using my baby's little snack cup there. As long as you get the ratios right, you'll be fine. And then I put food coloring in the water first, let it boil, and then you mix in the dry ingredients. You want to lightly whisk the ingredients together in the water so there's no clumps of the powder or the dry mix. And then once you're done whisking it, you want to use a hard spoon to start stirring it because the mixture will get really kind of thick quickly. I usually stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes, maybe more on the 2-minute side. And then once it gets to this thick, shiny consistency, you want to prepare a bowl with cold water. You can put ice in it if you want. I didn't have ice, so I didn't put any ice in it. Pour the mixture into whatever strainer you have. This is what I had at home. People are using those potato strainers, or I'm not sure what it's called, that you can get at Bed Bath Beyond, but I didn't go get it. I just had this strainer with big holes. Pretty much anything with big holes you can use to strain it out. And then you just want to press the mixture against it to get it moving into the holes and then into your cold water bath down there. And then they'll just kind of like cool down and then become this jelly. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. I know there's tons of maybe similar recipes out there. This is just the one I Googled.